What we're doing is we're teaching a semester's worth of a class in 18 days.
Students are only taking one course at a time. I'm only teaching one course at a time.
And then after those 18 days, you're gonna get a small break, the block break. So you'll get Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then you're gonna start a completely new class, and then you'll repeat that 8 times.
You learn so much. You learn a lot about yourself, a lot about the material, and then by the time you're done, you can just move on.
The block plan is enormously attractive because of its simplicity.
I would say that it's the ideal way to do school, in my opinion. Coming from a transfer student, I was on a normal academic college plan, like most colleges at my previous school, and I really prefer the block plan.
We have a certain amount of time we can teach during the day, and within that time we can be flexible in how we approach things. If we cover a difficult topic in psychology or neuroscience, and the class as a whole doesn't understand it, I don't have to push forward. If I teach it in the morning and it hasn't gone as well as I would have liked, or if there's a lot of questions, we can spend the afternoon. We can be flexible.
I've always been somebody who can really get into and interested about the subjects that I'm learning about. But in in traditional schooling, it's hard if you're super interested in everything. You can't give everything your full time and effort and appreciation.
I can take students off campus for 2 weeks at a time, which I never could have done. Even a short field trip is very hard in the semester plan.
I like knowing that I'm going to go to breakfast at 7:30 and I'm going to sit there till 9 and talk with my friends. I'm going to go to class for 2 hours, I'm going to get a lunch, and then I'm going to work, and then I'm going to go back to class, go to practice, and then I'm going to do more homework. I love having that set schedule.
It takes off so much stress of worrying about so much homework for individual classes, and not only that, but you can learn so much more.
You get to actually, immerse in this subject and understand it really, really clearly.